Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will see how to access properties and we will also see how to disable the button using DOM method. So in this document, we have created one form and in that form and we have taken one button, type of button. We have given value click me and ID of that button to my button. And on the click event of the button we are calling one function which have name alert id. So we have created one function in the JavaScript called alert id and it will called when we click on the button. We have written the JavaScript in the script tag. Now let's see how to access various properties of button and how to disable that button using the document object model method. So I am taking first variable which is the txt. First I want to access the id and I want to show id in alert box. So I am writing just id plus I want to access the id of the button. So I am writing document dot get element by id. I am passing the id of the button which is my button and I want to access the id of the button. So I am writing id and semicolon. Now copy up to id. I want to also display value of the button. So I am writing txt plus. So I am concatenating previous text and adding another content value plus writing document dot element by id method and I want to access value of the button. So I am writing just value. Same way I am writing txt plus is equal to type of the button document dot get element by id dot type. I want to display alert box. So I am writing alert and I want to display the text which we have set in txt variable. So I am passing txt variable. So I am just writing document dot get element by id dot disabled is equal to true. So I am passing disable value is equal to true. So it will disable the button when this line will be executed. Now let's run the program and see the output. One button is created which have value click me. Let's click on the button. You can see alert box is displayed. id is equal to my button, value is equal to click me and type is equal to button. Let's click on the OK button. We can see button is disabled after clicking on the alert box OK button. So we have written the line after alert box which disables the button. So this is about how to disable the button and how to access various properties of the button. Thank you.